Outstanding design defines the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.